Hello everyone, I am the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. A few months back, I bought this beautiful notebook, and because of my busy schedule and immense workload in the year 2022, I have decided to use this notebook as my bujo, that is, my bullet journal. I've never done bullet journaling before, so this will be my first time creating a bullet journal. So, this will be a completely new journey, and hopefully, I will make something beautiful out of it. Anyways, in this video, I will be making the cover page and the calendar. But before I do all that fun stuff, I'm going to use some of the pages at the end to test my art supplies and just see which materials are suitable for this page. Now I feel from the thickness of the paper that the paper is definitely not 160 GSM, which is a shame because it means that I can't use watercolors. But I'm still going to try all my tools just to confirm what I can use and what I can't use. I'm labeling the page as testing area, and I'm drawing some rectangles in which I use my art tools. So I started my tool testing process by testing the metallic markers from Stadler, I don't know how to pronounce it. So I put 3-4 layers of this marker in the first box and I flipped the page to see if there was any bleeding. Instead, I discovered that it was my black gel pen that bled, not my marker. I was shocked and I tried the markers again. No bleeding at all. So the metallic markers have passed the test. Because of how shocked I was, in the next box I tried out the black gel pen. I discovered that the pen's tip and multiple layers of the black gel pen caused bleeding. After that, I tried out the highlighter, acrylic markers, and watercolor brush pens. Each of these tools passed the test. The permanent marker caused a lot of bleeding. Then I tried out these extremely shiny liquid paint markers. These too passed the test. The watercolors are a big no. It ate the paper, and when I tried to use my black gel pen on them, the paper I saw was too soft and thin. So now I'm going to make the cover page artwork. I was very nervous when I sat down and started recording. It's not like I had no idea what I was going to draw, but I was working with a medium I had zero experience with, and that is my acrylic markers. I have owned these acrylic markers, which I bought from Scoobies, for only a few months, and the one thing I have learned about these markers is that there are times when the pen stops functioning properly. You'll see what I'm talking about later on in this video. Anyways, I'm making a self-portrait. However, it's not a realistic self-portrait, it's a more abstract and cartoony version of it. For this, I took the main features of my appearance, which are my curtain bangs, round-shaped face, and glasses. After completing the drawing, I used my acrylic marker pens to color in. Here, I struggled to use the brown pen as it suddenly stopped working. The same thing happened with the orange marker pen. I eventually gave up and used a peach colored watercolor brush pen instead. At this point, I felt like my drawing was missing something, so I used my cutter to do this. I'm not experienced with a cutter either, but I was able to execute my idea perfectly. Well, it was good enough for my first attempt anyway. I decided to add washi tapes too. It turned out to be a little childish, but it wasn't that bad in my opinion. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video and the art. If you did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Check out the description for more information. I know I said that I would make the calendar. I will, but in the part 2 video. So turn on the notification bell and stay tuned.